So this is part two to the bathhouse floor plan. Again, before we get too far along in the construction videos, I wanted to give you an idea of what the setup is, what we're doing inside. Sometimes it's kind of tough to visualize, so I wanted to stop and put this floor plan together. As a refresher, this floor plan is a 12 by 16 shed we ordered online. It's 192 square feet, just shy of 200 square feet. We chose that size because under 200 square feet in the municipality we live in means we don't have to pull a permit for it, which means square footage larger than 200 square feet have an inspector for our property. Again, that's where we do. I recommend municipalities thing that's against the law, certainly. So we chose by 16, and then we kind of and you can kind of a little rough sketch here. Go through it and why we decided to do it. Well, running water, must have off grid, figure out how to do it. Particular shed is and propane powered. I will start with the propane alone because it's not. You're going to see right here this little red block that mounted hot water heater. It is instant hot water propane right into an inverter into my batteries. It does not. It's an instant hot water heater down below if you want to check and around a long. Anyway, over here in that is the shower system by 60. Pretty good with that particular. I'll put a link if you want to. You essentially you can kind of build your own. It's a really neat setup. Shower sits by 60. In a vanity, it's the walls, and I want to point it. We did have to frame the shower, a wall framing. And here to frame into its own well, so you could have some privacy. We use those to the vanity in between space and a couple of medicine cabinets. That's what that particular bathroom's perfectly. I'm actually inches away from the wall, and you'll see that in some video. You really don't have to rough it, but because I was having shed delivered, I put. Anyway, so this little area is long, about 4, maybe a little bit with the put in for the framing. Over here is a dryer, and again, video you'll see the plumbing that comes in the construction video. What it does is it actually leaves a queen size bed, guest corner type of something like that. You could put that right. Door swings out and again as well. Solar powered.